You sleep 8 hours and still wake up tired. Then something is happening in your body that you haven't noticed yet, because it's not lack of sleep and it's not laziness. In fact, the problem may be happening while you're asleep, and that's exactly why you wake up without energy every single day. The strangest part? You might be doing everything right, going to bed early, avoiding your phone, trying to rest, and even so, you wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all. That's because not all sleep is the same. Your body doesn't just need hours of sleep, it needs quality. And that's where most people go wrong. Throughout the night, your body goes through cycles. Deep stages where physical recovery happens, and lighter stages where your brain organizes information. But when something interferes with these cycles, you do fall asleep, but you don't truly rest. And the worst part? Most of the time, you don't even realize it's happening. It could be something silent, something common, something that seems harmless, but it's slowly destroying your sleep quality. For example, small interruptions during the night, changes in your breathing, or even spikes in brain activity. All of this prevents you from entering deep sleep, and without deep sleep, your body doesn't recover. It's like charging your phone all night with a loose cable. It does gain some battery, but it never reaches 100%. Now imagine this happening every single day. You wake up already tired, with no energy, no focus, and you think the problem is lack of motivation. But it's not. It's your body trying to function without being restored. And there's one more detail that makes all of this even worse, something many people do before going to bed, and it seems completely normal. But it could be sabotaging your sleep without you realizing it. If you do this every night, your brain never truly slows down. It stays active, even when you think you're asleep. And that's why you wake up tired, even after 8 hours in bed. So what's causing this? Artificial light, especially from your phone before bed. It blocks the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates deep sleep. Without enough melatonin, your body may fall asleep, but it won't enter the most restorative stages. The result? You wake up exhausted. Now you understand it's not about sleeping more, it's about sleeping better. And if you fix this, your body responds quickly. Because real rest was never just about closing your eyes. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more.